Hi there. The goal of this video is to learn how to identify concerning trends on the HPE 3-par system. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how you can leverage IntelliMagic Vision to identify performance issues and drill down to proactively identify potential issues in your HPE 3-par environment. Not all trends are bad, but some can be terrible. The same goes for system trends. It is important to know whether you are trending towards higher throughput and lower response time, or if better things are in the future. In this demo, I will show you how you can trend various areas of performance and capacity within Vision to obtain additional insights into your future and determine if trends are good or bad. This will help you to identify areas where capacity will run out and to identify areas where performance will be a concern soon. On this screen, we are looking at some trending charts for clusters. Clusters are groups of servers that share storage LUNs. IntelliMagic aggregates the performance and capacity for servers that share storage into a single, non-overlapping entity called a cluster. This chart shows the top 20 clusters' response times over a period of several weeks. The chart is rated red and bordered in a red frame, instantly telling you there is a performance issue. The rating in the top right of the chart is 0.75, which indicates there are significant performance exceptions. The host, GZG-M499, has a rating of 0.44 as seen in the legend. There are some others that have higher ratings, but for now we will focus on this host because of the spikes we see in the chart. By selecting the Isolate drill down and clicking on the line in the legend or the chart representing GZG-M499, you can see the cluster's front-end response time alone so that it is easy to see the trend. Further, by adding the trend line, it is easy to see that the response time trend is increasing for this cluster. In the next chart, we will drill down to the volumes for this cluster by time. In this chart, there are two lines, one for each volume. We will focus on the volume WRHQ192_A_FCOD, which has a rating of 0.44, since the other volume has a rating of only 0.16. By selecting Isolate and clicking on this volume, I can more easily see its trend, and by clicking on the Show Trend line, it's easy to see that this is a bad trend, and that it is a bad response time that is increasing over time. By clicking on the line for this volume, we can see more information about the volume and make some potential recommendations on improving the performance. The top of the table shows information about the volume. It is important to note that the allocated usable size of the volume in gigabytes is 8,000. Inspecting the bottom table in the chart and looking in the storage pool column, we see that the AO policy name is base_ESX_AO, and the utilized capacity in gigabytes is 7,555.13. This means that this volume has been fully consumed by the host. It is also only consuming data from the CPGs with FC drives in them and has no access to the flash drive CPG. In order to improve the performance of this volume, it will likely be necessary to place it in an AO policy that has access to the flash. In this case study, IntelliMagic Vision was used to identify a bad trend for one of the hosts on an HPE 3-par system. IntelliMagic Vision uses expert knowledge about systems, configuration, and workload to proactively identify potential risks in the environment. The user interface integrates the logical and physical components to allow for easy drill downs and identification of root cause. If you would like to find out more about IntelliMagic Vision for your environment, please shoot an email to info@intellimagic.com.